It began with a dream that reached beyond the clouds, a vision that dared to defy gravity itself. In the wake of World War II, as nations rebuilt and humanity looked to the stars, America gave birth to a new kind of power, the United States Air Force. Established on September 18, 1947, the Air Force was not just another military branch. It was a symbol of innovation, courage, and the relentless spirit of human ambition. No longer bound to the ground, these men and women became the guardians of freedom from above, watching over the world with wings forged from determination and purpose. As the world split between East and West, the Air Force became the silent guardian of the nuclear age. From underground silos to high-altitude bombers, America's airmen stood ready not for war, but for peace through strength. The F-86 Sabre soared over Korea's skies, and the F-22 Stratofortress became a steel-winged sentinel of deterrence. The Cold War was not just fought with weapons but with technology, precision, and unbreakable resolve. The Air Force didn't merely fly, it evolved, embracing jet engines, radar systems, and stealth science that reshaped modern warfare forever. The 1980s brought an evolution in design, power, and invisibility. The F-117 Nighthawk, with its mysterious shape and radar-absorbing skin, redefined the meaning of stealth warfare. So, the F-15 Eagle and F-16 Fighting Falcon took control of the skies, each a masterpiece of precision, agility, and firepower. Every jet became a symbol of American engineering excellence, the product of science, imagination, and the unshakable belief that no enemy should ever own the sky. The Air Force had not only mastered flight, it had become the architect of air supremacy, ensuring that any threat could be met before it even appeared on the horizon. When the Gulf War erupted in 1991, the world witnessed the full might of the U.S. Air Force. In Operation Desert Storm, precision-guided missiles and satellite-guided aircraft reshaped the concept of modern conflict. Bombers struck with surgical accuracy, minimizing casualties and proving that technology and discipline could win wars before boots even touched the ground. Every operation was a calculated dance between pilots and machines, and behind every mission stood the unseen heroes, engineers, technicians, and analysts who turned vision into victory. As the new millennium dawned, the Air Force expanded into a new frontier, autonomous and remote warfare. The P-9 Reaper and RC-4 Global Hawk became the new eyes of the battlefield, operating where no pilot could safely go. These drones revolutionized surveillance, targeting, and reconnaissance, making the Air Force not only the master of the sky, but also the guardian of information. With artificial intelligence and global connectivity, missions were no longer about presence, they were about precision. In the 21st century, the Air Force's domain extended beyond the sky into space and cyberspace. Satellites, GPS systems, and orbital surveillance became the backbone of global defense and communication. The formation of the U.S. Space Force in 2019 symbolized this evolution, yet the heart of that mission remains rooted in Air Force innovation. Cyber warriors defend invisible battlefields, while orbital networks safeguard every soldier, pilot, and citizen on Earth. It is a war fought not with bombs, but with data, speed, and light. The future of the Air Force lies not just in aircraft, but in imagination. The next generation air dominance NG-80 fighter, -21 Raider stealth bomber, and hypersonic missiles represent the next leap in human innovation. Artificial intelligence will soon guide autonomous wingmen through the sky, while quantum computing will enhance strategy at lightning speed. Yet, beyond the machines and the missions, it is the spirit of the airmen, their courage, discipline, and unity that remains the soul of this force. From the roar of engines to the silence of space, they carry one message through every mission: aim high, fly, fight, win.